Ranna has been inspiring millions across the country, and among them, Dr. Rajneesh Chaudhary from Patna. Now, this man, despite receiving threats, Chaudhary has resisted bribes and refused to give in to any kind of corruption. Here's his story.
The momentum of Anna Hazare's crusade continues to inspire many. Amongst them is a doctor from Patna. Dr. Chaudhary has found the strength to resist corruption. Be it the time when he was asked to bribe to confirm his berth on a train.
So I said, look, my seat is confirmed, then I am not going to give a single penny to you. Even from Gorakhpur to Lucknow, he was again asking, look, even your father might be taking bribe. I was really surprised. I said, look, don't say anything about my father. He's a very honest fellow. And just don't compare with him with the other dishonest person.
Or the time when he had to resist his own colleagues.
They used to tell, okay, this pharmaceutical company is going to give some facilities to you, just ask the patient to write these medicines or favor us. I said, look, if any medicine is good, it is good for any patient. We will not favor any one particular company. And finally, they tried to threaten me, they tried to give me some bribe. They again said, they complained to the senior authorities, and this thing is happening, this happened several times with me.
Dr. Chaudhary has resisted threats repeatedly, but has refused to budge from the honest path, proving that perhaps there is an Anna in every Indian. Bureau Report, Times Now.
My profession was as a vehicle mechanic in the army. After the retirement, I went to the private companies. So they required bribe to give me the job. But I totally changed myself. I don't want to give any kind of bribe. So I joined as a security guard in a private company. I am working there for the past 10 years.
मैं बिड़ा में काम करता था और 20 साल तक मैंने काम किया है और इंपोर्ट्स वगैरह भी देखता था, एक्सपोर्ट्स भी देखता था और भी बहुत से काम देखता था। वाइस प्रेसिडेंट था, तो कहीं भी जाता था तो बिना पैसे के तो काम होता नहीं है मैडम, मैं आपको बतला दूं। और पैसा दिए बगैर तो फाइल भी नहीं निकलती है, कहाँ है फाइल मालूम ही नहीं, और पैसा दो तो फाइल भी आ जाएगी, काम भी हो जाएगा।
In my profession, of course, I didn't face any corruption, but in my life, while I have to apply for a passport, and I had to fly to US, and it was like delayed for 3 months. Then I had to go to passport office. I had to roam around passport office for 1 more month. Then I had to consult one agent, and I had to give him more money than required money, and then I had to get it.
मैंने मकान ले लिया और उसके कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए थे, तो वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में मिलते हैं। 2-3 बार चक्कर काटने के बाद पता चला कि उनको कुछ डिमांड थी, तो मैंने सीधा उनको ऑफ़र कर दिया कि आपको कितने पैसे चाहिए। तो उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे को ठीक है, मैं बाद में बात करता हूँ। फिर उन्होंने फ़ोन पे बताया कि मेरे को इतने अमाउंट चाहिए। मैंने अमाउंट पे कर दी। 3 दिन के बाद मेरे को दस्तावेज़ मिल गए, मेरा काम हो गया।
2-3 years back, when I applied for a passport renewal, so a person came from the passport authority. He asked me that आपका हो गया है, कुछ बोला क्या, खर्चा पानी चाय पानी। तो I was asking, मैं बना देती हूँ चाय पानी। तो कहते नहीं, I'm asking for something else। मैं कहा नहीं यार, वो possible नहीं है मेरे लिए। तो he went back, and you won't believe, for 2 months I was literally taking trips to Rohini to Bikamaji place for just to know my status of my passport. So this is the one instance which happened to me, but it's not the least.